Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty is going to cook Kam Heong Pineapple Chicken. This is chicken meat. I already cut it into cubes. I use breast meat and the thigh parts of the chicken. And the ingredients I'm going to use to cook that. This one is tapioca flour and this one is rice flour. I'm gonna use to marinate the chicken later on. And of course I have 3 cloves of garlic already chopped fine, and this one is dry shrimp. I already soak in water to make it soft. And I have curry powder, about 3 tablespoons. I'm using the meat curry powder. And this one is black soy sauce. This one is black pepper, the ground black pepper. Sugar, about 2 tablespoons. It all depends on your taste. If you want it to be more sweet, you add more. But Aunty is using 2 tablespoons. And this one is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, I'm using about 4 tablespoons. And this one is Bombay onion. And this one is lemongrass, the crushed lemongrass. So stay tuned, guys. Come follow Aunty do cooking. Stay until the end, okay? And see how I'm going to prepare this dish. Alright, I'm going to marinate this chicken meat with a little bit of salt so that the taste will be not plain. About 1.5 tablespoons. And a little bit of ground black pepper. And a little bit of garlic. Alright, that's it. Then I add in the tapioca flour and the rice flour. A bit of cooking oil. Okay, I rather stir it with hand. I already washed my hand clean. Set aside for a while. Okay, let's start frying. I start to deep fry the chicken. Okay. Aunty is going to make the sauce for this chicken. This is the chicken already fried, deep fried. Okay. I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay, let's start the cooking. The oil is hot. I'm start making the sauce. This is garlic, ground garlic. As usual, I add a bit of salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Alright, the garlic has turned into light brown. Then we add in the curry leaves. Okay, put in the shrimp. Put in the ground black pepper. And then lemongrass. Continue to stir fry. Put in the curry powder. Continue to stir fry. Oh, nice smell. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Oyster sauce. And black soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir fry for a while. Let all the ingredients incorporated. It smells good. I add water. Okay, this is tapioca flour for thickening. Slow a bit the flame. Okay. Okay. Put in the fried chicken. This one is Bombay onion. And pineapple. Give it a stir. And finally, the dry chili. Alright, it's done already. Kam Heong Pineapple Chicken. Alright, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Kam Heong Pineapple Chicken. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.